Somebody told me that you were in need of a better way to learn how to jump rope. Well, years ago, I actually stumbled onto the best way to learn how to jump rope, and it is this magical jump rope right here. All of the equipment you see in today's video is available down below. The biggest reason why you're struggling with the jump rope is your timing. The rope simply moves too fast, and your hands and feet aren't in sync yet.
It's too fast.
That's why a weighted rope makes things way easier. Since it moves slower, you get more time to react, making it way easier to dial in your coordination. You actually feel the movement of the rope, which helps you stay in rhythm instead of tripping up every few seconds.
It's all in the hips.
The rope moving slower can be a double-edged sword, and later on I'll explain to you just why and something you should be careful of, so stay tuned. Don't get me wrong, a speed rope is great. In fact, I have an entire video explaining to you the benefits of a speed rope. Check it out in the links down below. But if you start with a speed rope, you're more likely to mistime your jumps and get frustrated. With a weighted rope, you can actually see and feel where the rope is at all times, making it so much easier to lock in good technique from the start. Another huge benefit is a weighted rope builds your endurance and muscle conditioning in a way that regular ropes just can't.
It's just not the same.
Before we dive into the next tip, I've got something that'll take your fitness journey to the next level. My book, Jump Into Fitness, is the ultimate guide to transforming your body and mastering the art of jumping rope. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your skill, this book will teach you everything you need to know about jumping rope the right way and get real results. Ready to revolutionize your workout? Grab a copy below and start your transformation today. An underrated benefit of using a weighted jump rope is it gives you a lot of confidence. After using it over and over and over again and jumping very slowly but getting great conditioning, when you grab another rope, you're gonna be super confident and you're gonna be much quicker and much lighter than you expect, because your mind is going to be thinking, I'm moving that really heavy rope. So you're gonna be able to spin that rope really fast and you're gonna be skipping for joy after you finish.
Might give you more confidence.
When you have confidence when you're jumping, you're willing to try tricks that you never thought you would even do. You would do a double under, you'll skip to the side, the pendulum, amongst other tricks. I think confidence is something that people don't talk about enough. If you're doing anything like jumping rope, you need confidence to be able to say, I can literally try this. Even if you don't get it the first time, you'll be like, I got something else before, I'll be able to get this. In fact, as a mental boost, weighted jump ropes can actually give you confidence to be able to do other things because you accomplished this. Another huge benefit, a weighted jump rope builds your endurance and muscle conditioning in a way that regular ropes just can't.
Well, maybe I'm just better at this.
The extra weight forces your arms, shoulders, and core to work harder, which means when you switch to a regular or speed rope, it will feel effortless. You'll be faster, more efficient, and way less likely to burn out quickly. So you know how Goku has weighted clothes? Think about it like that. If you get strong with the extra resistance, moving without it feels like second nature. That's what happens when you train with a weighted jump rope first. It sets you up to crush it with any jump rope you use later. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is having bad form, flailing arms, jumping too high, and burning out too quickly. A weighted rope helps fix that because you physically can't whip it around with bad form. You have to use controlled movements, which forces you to jump with the right technique. You'll naturally keep your hands in the right position, your jump slow and efficient, and your rhythm smooth. It teaches you to move correctly from the start so you don't build bad habits that are hard to break.
I just can't escape all of these bad habits.
Now, I don't want you to make this huge mistake that I made. Double jump. Double jumping is when you jump twice in one revolution. The rope moves slower, so you think I should jump twice here in your brain because you're waiting for the rope to get around. Now this is a huge mistake. It can actually hurt you as far as doing tricks and mess your form up and be one of those things, like I said, are hard to break. Now I have an entire video that'll teach you exactly why double jumps are bad and how to fix it. Check that video right here. Comment, I learned something. If you learned something in today's video, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and as always, just start. Worry about being perfect later. Peace.